Welcome to the Biss tribe, where you activate your goddess power. I'm the author, Elizabeth Ann Atkins, and I'm honored to guide you on this life-changing journey. It's time to do a breathing exercise called Pranayama. It's one of the goddess power activation tools that you learn in my book, The Biss Tribe, where you activate your goddess power. In the book, I'm known as Biss, leading you on a women's retreat on Infinity Mountain, where you learn how to activate your power, pleasure, prosperity, protection, and peace. Then you earn your coronation at Sea Goddess Castle. After that, you return home to build your empire that you rule from a throne of power wearing a crown of confidence. To do that, you need to use the 4 Goddess Power activation tools: pranayama breathing, chakra clearing, and the Power Journal method that combines meditation and journaling. I'll share the link here for the video that guides you through a chakra clearing followed by a meditation and journaling exercise. You can find other helpful videos at thegoddesspowershow.com, as well as on the YouTube channel for The Goddess Power Show with Elizabeth Ann Atkins. You can also read about how to use pranayama in my book, which you can order at twosisterswriting.com. It's best to do this writing exercise before you clear your energy and meditate. And you can use this technique anytime, anywhere. It calms you and energizes you all at once. So use it whenever you need to calm yourself or rev up for great mental focus. Pranayama infuses your brain and body with fresh oxygen that primes you for meditating and connecting with spirit, which is how you activate your goddess power. Pranayama is a pretty word for alternate nostril breathing. Prana is Sanskrit for breath, and yama means control. The goal is to infuse your brain and body with oxygen and expel the old air, which releases toxins and promotes mental and physical wellness. Here's how to do this. Press your thumb to one nostril so it closes, and inhale so deeply through the other nostril that your belly expands, as if you're filling yourself with air. As you inhale, savor the sensation of cool, fresh air entering your body and invigorating you. Then lift your thumb and press the fingertip of your ring finger to the other nostril. Press so that the nostril closes. Then exhale through your open nostril until all the old air is expelled. Think about all that old, stale air and energy leaving your body. Do this several times. You can use this pranayama breathing exercise anytime you need to relax or energize yourself. Thank you for joining me for pranayama. I'm honored and grateful that you're here in the Biss tribe, where I can help you activate your goddess power. I do that as a certified meditation teacher, an Emmy-nominated TV show host, a wellness coach, co-founder of Two Sisters Writing and Publishing, creator of The Goddess Power Show with Elizabeth Ann Atkins, and author of The Biss Tribe, where you activate your goddess power. I'm also the leader of the Goddess Power Roundtable, my online community for women's empowerment that helps you live bigger, better, and bolder to manifest your heart's wildest desires. Please visit twosisterswriting.com to get your copies of the book, as well as your power journal to activate your goddess power. Stay tuned for the next books in the Biss Tribe series, which help you activate your goddess pleasure, prosperity, protection, and peace. Please also visit thegoddesspowershow.com, where you can read the blog, connect to episodes of the audio and video podcast, join the Goddess Power Roundtable membership community, and learn about the Goddess Write Your Book program. I'm Elizabeth Ann Atkins, and I'm so grateful that you're here in the Biss tribe to activate your goddess power. My mission is to help you live bigger, better, and bolder to manifest your heart's wildest desires. You can do it, goddess, because you have the power.